Welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your TCL A2s. Make sure that the phone is powered off. Once it powers off, locate the volume up and the power button. You need to press both and hold. Once the phone turns on, release the power button. Continue holding the volume up. Once you see these options, press Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button to select it. Factory Data Reset to confirm. And once there's format, reboot system now. Once it comes on, it will be back to the settings, factory settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. I appreciate you.